Hi everyone, in this video I'll make a pinwheel. I'll start off by doing a pinch fold in the center of my paper to tell me where the middle is. Then I'll unfold and refold just the outer edge in towards that marker. I'll do this with the other edge as well. I'll rotate the paper around and then I'll pinch the center crease here, which allows me to then fold the ends towards the middle crease. The next step is to open up these flaps on the inside layer, and they get opened up like this. There are 3 more hidden flaps, so work your way around and repeat this step. And last flap now. The last step is to take 2 of the flaps and fold them to the other direction. This completes the pinwheel. Thanks for watching. Hi, it's Isabella from Bizzi Art here. If you enjoyed this video, or you want to learn more about origami paper, or if you're looking for origami paper to build on your stash, come check out my website. I've got the link in the description down below. Have fun!